welcome back to another vlog. It's Friday. I'm about to make my hubby and I some iced coffees to go because we're about to go on our afternoon stroll. We try to do 2 walks a day. We were doing 1 walk a day for a while, but now that summer's right around the corner, we're trying to amp it up a little bit, and it's like 80 degrees outside. Since I just got back from my Pilates class, I thought we would just get the walk out of the way since I've already been moving my body and I have some momentum. I tried to take you guys with me to my Pilates class today, but when I started to vlog, I realized that I left my memory card in my laptop because I was editing last week's vlog, so I was just like, I can't believe I did that because I left early to start the vlog in the parking lot and get some B-roll for you guys. I'll just take you with me to one of my Pilates classes next week. I haven't told you guys yet, but I decided to end my Club Pilates membership, so my last day is the 25th of this month, and I want to look into doing solidcore. They have like a 2-week special, or I'll just start doing at-home workouts because I feel like Club Pilates got me to where I am now as far as like being physically fit goes, but the classes just aren't as hard as they used to be. So now I feel like it's time for me to try something new. So that's what I'm gonna do. There's this studio called Jet Set Pilates, and I feel like their classes are a little bit harder than Club Pilates. So I might give them a try. I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do yet, but you know I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So it's gonna be fun and exciting. Popflex sent me some goodies and I have no idea what it is, so I'm about to film an unboxing right now. So cute and dainty, and I love how these sleeves cover them perfectly and they're not too dark. These are some cutie slits, so girly and feminine. I love the back detailing. The material is buttery soft. I love the fact that it's crisscross. This is everything they sent me. They spoiled me. Everything is so girly, feminine, and of course, soft and functional. I'm about to finish editing my YouTube vlog from last week. I'm almost done, and then I'm gonna get started on editing my unboxing. Look how beautifully my roses ended up blooming, you guys. In last week's vlog, I was upset because I didn't get any baby breath or filler flowers, but they opened so nicely that I don't even need them. Putting them in a smaller vase definitely helped. I'm editing my vlog right now and I just noticed that they looked a lot different. Look at my babies then compared to now. What a difference. So pretty. I guess I do have a green thumb after all. Happy Saturday. We just got to the gym to play some pickleball. I'm wearing my new set that Popflex sent me, and it's so cute and flattering because I ordered a size small. Well, when they messaged me, they asked me what size I was, and I told them I'm a small, and I was a little worried about that because I used to be a medium, but the small actually fits perfect. So I'm happy about that because I was a little, yeah, Pilates is actually paying off. I love this cute shoulder frill detail. I feel like a cottage girl, like I belong on a farm or something with these bangs. Made myself a little coffee to go. I slapped on some makeup real quick. My skin has been peeling because I stopped using my retinol for a couple of weeks and my skin just wasn't skinning. And so I remembered that I stopped using my retinol, so I'm back on it. I'm like cycling it into my skincare routine. About twice a week, and my skin is starting to peel a little bit because of it, but after it's done peeling, I'm gonna have glass skin. I can already see and feel a difference just after a couple of days of using it. So if you guys aren't on retinol, this is your sign. And remember to wear your sunscreen. Happy Sunday. I'm about to head out the door to my intro to solidcore class. I'm doing one with Mina. She texted me last minute yesterday and said that she wanted to do an intro class, so it just worked out. We were both able to get on the schedule. This is my outfit. I haven't worn this set in a while. It's the Cherry Astoria activewear set. I love it so much, but I feel like I lost a little bit of weight, so it's a little bit big on me, but you can't really tell. Plus this top that Popflex sent me goes perfect with it. This is my first time wearing it. I feel so freaking cute. I'm really excited for this intro class, but I'm also a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie. I know I'm gonna be super sore. I don't think you have to take an intro class when starting solidcore, but we're taking one just because we don't wanna just jump into it and be lost. So right now they have two specials that they're offering. One of them is buy one, get one class free, and then the other one is you get 2 weeks of unlimited classes for like $80 or something like that. So right now we're doing the buy one, get one, and then after this, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get the 2-week unlimited because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love it, and I'm so freaking excited. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to take you guys in there with me and actually film, especially today, but I'm gonna try to vlog on my phone. I'm bringing my Bala water bottle that has the mag strip on it, so all I have to do is just pop it on. So that way I don't have to bring a tripod with me. My only concern is it's a little bit low because we are gonna be on a reformer. Any content is better than nothing, so I'm gonna try to at least get something on my phone. My husband and I spent a little bit of time booking our museum tickets for our Europe trip that we have in like 35 days, and it just made me so much more excited because we booked most of the stuff for our Europe trip about a month ago or so. So I feel like we kind of both forgot about it. So today just got us excited again, and it's so freaking close. It's like literally almost less than a month away. So it's crunch time, hence the solidcore classes. Let's go to this Pilates class because I want to be early. It says to be 10 minutes early, and I'm a little nervous. Say hey, boo.
Vlog.
How are you feeling?
I'm super excited, a little bit nervous.
She's nervous like me.
But I'm so excited to be challenged and do something new.
Yes,
with
we're
my
gonna do
bestie, too.
so good. I know, I'm so excited. Everyone just went in, so we're about to get started. This is the location. All right.
Excited to know what the hype is about.
I know. We're about to get our butts kicked.
There's a door code.
Oh yeah, did you get? Yeah, there's a door code every time you come, which is cool.
It's fancy.
Yay! Cute.
Overall, what we are doing today, activating through this heel. Great job, friends. All right, one push here. And body down to back. And yeah, all the weight is on that left leg. Your right toes, they're just there as a kickstand. You want a really high heel. One little push here for hamstrings. In 8 seconds, you have a halfway hold. In 5, you hold halfway down. In 3, over angle the whole time. Then you push through that right heel to rise back up. Yes, you can. Handlebars there when you need it.
I just got home. I'm about to devour this protein shake right now because it was such an amazing workout. Mina and I loved it so much. 10 out of 10 recommend. I already know we're gonna both be so sore tomorrow. Honey. And another thing, the vibes were immaculate. They started with Mina's song, you know, the Drake song, Who's Calling My Phone? I told Mina, I was like, this is your song, because at first she was like, it's my song. I was like, this is your song. I was like, it reminds me of you, because I saw like a TikTok of her posting like a video with this song in the background. You know, like when you see or hear something with someone for the first time, you kind of affiliate it with them. So I was like, this song does remind me of you. I don't know exactly how many reformers were in that class, but it's just like one big rectangle of a room, and it has mirrors on both sides, which I love. So you can like look at yourself to see if your form's correct. The instructor did a quick demo of each move, but then she went around and corrected anyone's form if they needed it. I don't feel like you need an intro class after taking it. I feel like you could just jump in if you wanted to and kind of just like look around and see what other people are doing, because even with the intro classes, each class is different and it's gonna target certain areas. So even though I had an intro class today, the next class I take will probably be different and focus on different muscle groups. So I'll still be learning new movements, and I'll just have to like copy what other people are doing. I feel like it's not necessary to take an intro class, but that's coming from someone who was doing Pilates for a couple of months. So if you feel like you're not comfortable on a reformer, then you probably should take an intro class. But because I'm comfortable on a reformer, I just don't think you need it if you are coming from doing Pilates on a reformer already, if that makes sense.
Yeah, it makes sense to me.
My hubby is contemplating on whether or not he wants to try it. I told him we should do it together. It's such a good workout. There's a lot of core strength. We did a lot of core, a lot of legs. My legs are jello. I probably could have brought my vlogging camera in, but I was just vlogging on my phone to play it safe, and I saw a lot of other people on their phone, so I just love that it's a younger demographic than Club Pilates, and I feel like because of that, the workouts obviously are just inherently harder. No tea, no shade. But yeah, if you're looking to get shredded this summer, believe it or not, I'm not sponsored by solidcore. I sound like I am, but if you're trying to get shredded this summer, go to solidcore. That's what I'm gonna do. Happy Tuesday. I just got to my 10 a.m. Pilates class. I'm so freaking tired. It's like 9:50 and I feel like it's 8 o'clock in the morning. I think it's because I'm still so sore from my solidcore class. I just want to like lay in bed and not do anything. My thighs, my butt, my abs, and my neck are sore. I don't know if my neck is sore because I slept wrong or because I tweaked it in class somehow, but yeah, I'm just kind of hurting. So I'm a little scared for today's Pilates class. I'm actually filming a Dove campaign today too, so I'm really excited about it. After this class, I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's because I need to pick up some groceries. I need some, mainly carbs. I was looking at my list and I was like sourdough, everything bagels, hash browns. I'm a carb girly and we haven't had any carbs for a couple of days and I feel like I'm dying, especially after that solid core workout. I feel like I'm extra hungry. So I'm gonna go over to Trader Joe's and get the goodies after this class. Go home. I need to unbox my Crocs. They've been sitting in my room for a couple of days now, probably close to a week because I just have been putting it off, but I'm gonna unbox them today, put my Jibbits on them. They're the platform Crocs that I got, and I'm just so excited to film a TikTok and see how they look in person. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the update. I am so sore. You guys need to try solidcore. They have the buy one get one special, and then they have the 2-week unlimited pass. I was gonna start with the 2-week unlimited pass, but now I'm like, maybe it's better to start with the buy one get one. That way you can kind of like ease yourself into it, and then when you do the 2-week unlimited, you can probably be more conditioned to do more days than you would if you did it the other way around. That's my thought process anyway. Mina and I booked our next solid core class for next Saturday because she's going out of town this weekend. She's going to the beach. So it's like a whole week away, but it's gonna be here before we know it. And I'm really excited. I just can't wait to not be sore anymore. Like, I don't feel good. I had an orange for breakfast. I probably should have had more than that. I need some protein shakes too. Your girl's hurting today.
All the way back home. Back just a tad. Those arms right above the chest, nice.
I finished editing my Dove campaign. I submitted it, so I'm all good to go with that. Right now, my hubby and I are about to head out to play pickleball. I'm gonna end the vlog here though because I don't want it to be too long. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Make sure you're following me on all social platforms and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next week.